YouTube, back with another video. Today we're gonna be playing how's it called? It's Zombie Attack, and if you hear the background stuff, it's my brother playing the PS4 on Fortnite. As you can see up here, I have 9,000 kills and a good level. Let's get started. Go subscribe to me and like me if you want, guys. But go if you want to. You can follow me on Roblox. My brother, he is my brother's name on Roblox is FloodSwag2, but his real account is FloodSwag, but his alt account is FloodSwag2. Go follow on both of his accounts if you want, guys. Today, play this just for fun. Oh my god. Zombie. Oh, God, angels. These angels are overpowered. Oh god. I'm going to be playing, like, if there's, like, 2 bosses, like, until this boss is out, I'll be playing that, and then the next boss, I'll kill the next boss, and then I'll end this video, guys. Oh god. Yes, I unlocked the dark heart. I'll unlock that till I get it, like, a safe spot. Oh god. My brother sometimes, he does this for me on my account, but he doesn't do it at all. He just levels me up, like, just once. But he goes on his account and I help on his account. Oh god, I have to get slime. There's a zombie right here. He's such a badass. God. Oh god, painful one. God. Sand monster. No. Oh god. I should probably change the thing quickly. Knives. Dark heart. Back. Oh god, no. Just item change. Oh god, made it. I feel like such a noob in this game. Gosh, I have to change it to show. Okay. Gosh, dang it. I should use my venom shank. Oh god, explosive zombies. Ah. Oh, demon. He's gives you a lot. But the ones, like, the boss fights, they're like the most ones. Give it away. Oh god. And they have lots more health. If you guys didn't know what Zombie Attack was, comment down below. Hashtag Zombie Attack is awesome. If you like this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, please. I need some support. There we go. Go YouTube! Okay. Oh god, I'm a zombie. I don't know why I just stay there. Ooh, tire particles. If you stay there, you're gonna get eaten. So, if you didn't know. God, there's a big whole group coming after me. Oh god. Oh god! Gosh! I'm gonna get so much XP and money for this. Thank you, zombies. You do not equal life. That's for sure. Wah wah wah. God, I have no idea. Okay, I don't think I'll get too far into this video. I think I'll just do one boss. That's all. Oh god. Just noticed. Gosh, dang it, no! No! I got so surrounded. I don't want to die. Too young to die. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I died. Oh god. Oh. Stupid zombies always sneak up on everyone. Ugh. Oh gosh. Phew. Oh god. Guys, I'm on my team. Demon has low health. Yes, I think I'll be able to kill it. Yeah, there we go. Wax P. So, here we go. The boss. And then we have to end this video. I'm sorry, guys. King Slime. Oh my gosh. When it shoots a little tiny lasers. I'll beat the heck out of this guy. King Slime. So bouncy. That's just kind of wrong. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. The King Slime. Oh gosh. Why does it keep going in that building? That's what I like. Some of these zombies just keep going in the same exact place. Gosh, I wish this guy was just like cornered or surrounded or something. Or can't get out. God. Oh, he's gonna hold this button. Ah, such. Okay, so when to get close to it, just so we can destroy his health bar. Help. Oh yeah, this is the best place right here. Many people want to be my friend. Oh gosh. No! Got on the secret spot. Good, 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 good. Stay right there. Oh gosh. I'm never gonna give up. This one has nothing against me. It says 2,000 health left. And we're good. So guys, see you next time. Goodbye.